Hi students, in today's video you're going to be learning about the letter G. This is the capital, the big G, and this is the small g. The letter G has two sounds, G and J. We're going to be learning about this in this video. Try reading this sentence. The goat was in the gym. We have two words with a G, goat, and j, gym. Some students ask, teacher, why G sometimes is G and sometimes is J? I don't understand. Well, students, in this video, I'm going to teach you why G is sometimes G, and sometimes G is J sound. There is soft G, J, sounds like J, before E, I, and Y, J. Gel, general, germ, gym, gypsy, gem, gentle, giant, giraffe. Here you can see a giraffe. When the G is beside an E, the sound is J, gel. When the E is on the right side of the G, the sound is J, gel. Gem. What about this word? Does this word say J? Does the G say J? No, because the E is on the right side. It says egg, egg. The sound is G, only if the E is on the left side of the G. So this word is not J, it is G, egg. Practice these words. Gel, gem, egg, egg. Gel, gel, gem, egg. Also, when you have a Y or an I beside the G, the sound is J, gym, giant, giant. So remember, G-E, G-Y, G-I, the sound is J. Now we'll talk about the hard G, G sound. So before an A, O, or U, the sound is G. Gap, gas, goat, good, gum, gasp, gobble, goose, gust. The sound is G. This word is gas, G-A-S, gas. The A is beside the G, so the sound is G. Goat, G-O-T, goat. The O is beside the G, the sound is G. And gum, G-A-M, gum. So students, please remember G-A, ga, G-O, go, G-U, g. Okay, students, let's practice reading a sentence. The goat was in the gym. The goat was in the gym. Now for a bigger sentence. The giant, gentle goat sat in gas in the gym. The giant, gentle goat sat in gas in the gym. Now, students, I want to teach you something that is very important for you to understand. 80% of English words can be spelled using spelling rules. This is approximately about 80%. 20% of English words don't follow the rules, and you just have to remember it. Memorize the spelling of the word, because the rules don't work for 20% of the English words. That is why English spelling can be difficult. So students, these words don't follow the rules g and j. You need to remember these words: get, girl, give, and gift. These are the 20% of words that don't follow the rules. So please remember these words. It is get, not jet, and girl, not gerl. Okay? Remember these words: get, girl, give, and gift. Okay, students, now it's time for you to read. Read this sentence. Did you read like this? The girl gets gum. The girl gets gum. Number 2. Please read this sentence. The goose gets germs. The goose gets germs. How did you do, students? If this is difficult, watch this video again and practice your j and g sounds. Have a good day, students. Bye.